Tamanna, and today me and my friends Mannat, Ekta and Nancy have prepared two dishes for pregnant and lactating women. First one is oats utpam. It is made from grinded powdered oats. As we know, oats is really good for pregnant women. It contains a lot of fiber. It prevents constipation and hemorrhoids in pregnant women, which is in turn good for their cardiovascular health. Instead of other flour, we have actually used oats, so it is really good for pregnant women. The second recipe is bajra taco, which contains the filling of soya. Soya is really good for pregnant women. It contains a lot of fiber and it is also mixed with a lot of veggies like cabbage, carrot, and beans. So in whole, it is a very nutritious recipe for a pregnant woman. As a base, we have used ragi for it, which contains a lot of iron.